In this session, we are going to talk about the main concept of file storage to help you visualize different components. File systems are for storing and organizing your shared data and its metadata. Metadata contains information about your files such as name, directory, and permissions. Mount targets are highly available NFS endpoints in your subnet of choice used to access your file systems. Your NFS clients mount to file system through mount targets in order to be able to read and write data. You can access multiple file systems behind one mount target. Exports control which file systems are available through a given mount target. The information stored in an export includes the file system ID, the export path, and NFS export options. NFS export options are set of parameters that enable a more granular access control on a per file system basis when connecting to one mount target. Export path is specified when a file system is associated with a mount target. Export path uniquely identifies the file system within the mount target, letting you associate multiple file systems with a single mount target. In the mount command, the export path is appended to the mount target IP address to specify what file system you want to mount to. Export set simply contains all of mount target's exports. Let me give you an analogy. Picture this. Your file system is a room where you store your shared content in files and directories. To get to this room, you enter the long hallway outside. This hallway has multiple doors that lead to your file system room, and each door has a lock and a label on it. This hallway is the mount target for accessing your shared content inside the room, and each door to the room represents an export. NFS export options are the locks on each door that controls under what condition the door should open to allow access to the room. The export paths are the label on the doors so that you can identify where each door leads. This is all in place so that the multiple doors to this room can be opened under different conditions for accessing the same content. Each file system and each mount target can have multiple exports, all contained within an export set. This is so that the same mount target or the hallway in our example can be used for accessing multiple rooms, each with their own doors and locks. File systems and mount targets have many-to-many relationships. What is important to know is that multiple NFS clients can connect to the same file system using one mount target, and that one mount target can be used for connecting to multiple file systems. Exports, export paths, and NFS export options are the doors, labels, and locks placed to enable access control for different NFS clients. If you would like to find out more, please visit resources below.